Hi everyone. We're going to be talking about graphics helper functions. So we have this function called draw Belgian flag, and it takes in two x coordinates and two y coordinates. And so we can see that we can control where this flag is drawn and also how big it is based on what we give draw Belgian flag as inputs. And so since we have this function, we can actually use it as a helper function inside of this draw function. And so this first one, so we put in these coordinates, and we see the difference between the x coordinates and the y coordinates is pretty big, so that means we're going to draw a pretty big flag, and so that's this flag. And then we also draw a little tinier one, and we see that the differences between these x and y coordinates are not quite as big, and that's this tiny Belgian flag. And then we can also draw a whole bunch of little Belgian flags with a for loop, and just by calling this helper function, and then changing the x and y coordinates based on the row and column indices in the for loops. And so that's how we get this little grid of Belgian flags, and it's all from this one helper function that just draws a generic flag and takes in some inputs.